Let's repot my Philodendron Brasil. I'm not going to take it off the wall to repot it. I'm going to use a potting mat and put it right here. So let's do that. So I have my aroid soil. Philodendrons are aroids after all. Gloves and a trowel. It's a super cute new strawberry jam one that I got. And of course a new pot and a new nursery pot. Always repot your houseplants into pots with drainage. Even if the decorative planter has holes, this one doesn't, I still recommend using a nursery pot. It makes the whole repotting process so much easier. I am going up quite a big pot size because I don't really want to repot this one again for a while. I like this one because the sides put together, which in theory means that I shouldn't make such a big mess because soil should not go everywhere. Just using a big board to make my workspace bigger. Got my gardening gloves. This is both to keep your hands clean and also so you don't get anything from the soil if there's any bacteria or anything in there. You can tell your plant needs repotting when there is roots coming out the bottom, and also if your leaves start to go yellow. Look at all those roots. She's definitely root bound. It is time for a bigger pot. I'm just going to loosen the roots a little bit, not completely separate them. This is actually two different plants, the mother plant and then a cutting I planted with it. This is just the mesh round that I put in the bottom to stop soil from falling through. She did her job, but there is a few roots on it. That's fine, the plant will be fine. I'm not going to put one in the new pot because I'm going to use a chunkier soil, so it should be fine. I'm just going to add some soil to the bottom and then put my Philodendron Brasil in, and then more soil to the top and sides. I'll add in my plant. I'm going to add more soil to the top and sides. I'm going to give it a good shake and tap so any air pockets get filled with soil. And keep adding more. That should do it. Now, although I love bottom watering, I'm going to water from the top and give it a really good soak until the water runs out the bottom. I thought it would be faster. Ah, there we go. Let it drip a bit before putting it in your pot. Gonna twist it and remove this leaf. You want to make sure there is always a gap in between your decorative planter and your nursery pot so that air can still get into the root. I have attached the Philodendron Brasil to my wall using nails and plant clips. I find a small nail leaves less damage than command strips do. And that's it really, a quick and easy repot of the Philodendron Brasil.